It's been nice to see a little bit of sunshine. Colleen shared this yesterday from Grand Haven, the sunset, and we saw plenty of sunshine over the weekend, all things considered. Hadn't seen too much over the last several days. Here's another example, and it's nice to even pause it just before 7 o'clock. Still just a hint of light out. Even our sunsets just after 6 o'clock, about a quarter after 6 right now. Tower Cam in Grand Rapids, it's still dark now, but in about an hour we'll see some sunlight, and that's going to warm our temperatures up. We're up to 31 right now. We were up at 30 at one point. Kalamazoo as well. Still think we're going to go down a degree or two. Right now we have in South Haven. There are a few flurries in Big Rapids. That's where we'll take you there right now. Just light. That's about it. They're just going to be kind of hanging around. You'll see a few flurries moving toward White Cloud, Stanwood, and Mecosta and Morley right now. They're moving off at a southeasterly pace. This is about the only thing that we're going to see this morning as this storm kind of tails off to the end as it moves off to the east. Not much going on for us today. We are going to see our general flow out of the east, which keeps areas along the lakeshore just about the same as areas inland today, as you're not going to see much of that lake effect breeze. There are going to be mostly cloudy skies, however, as we look at 30 degrees. We're up to 36. As I mentioned, the sunrise is at 7:30, but the sunset is at 6:22 now. We continue to gain 2 or 3 minutes of daylight, which is kind of nice, as we're just about 3 weeks away from setting our clocks forward. That's on March 13th, and then March 20th. So first day of spring. So it felt like spring this weekend. It's not going to feel like spring this week. We do see a little bit of a couple of days of mild temperatures. And when you look at the big picture, there's not much happening. We have to look off to the southwest, and it doesn't look like much going on right now. There's just a mix of precipitation. But this is when we're going to see our next storm develop. And as we look at Future Track HD, we'll fast forward it about 12 hours. It takes that much time to really start to get things going. This is all low pressure disturbance with warm, moist air on the southeast side of it, but colder air wrapped around on the north and west side, and that's what we're going to see move into our area as we put this into motion early morning Wednesday. A lot of warm, moist air stays in the rain, but you can see this colder air wrapping around as the storm system tracks off to the north and east. We still see that colder air arrive, and all the way through Wednesday morning into Wednesday night, it has us in a heavier band of snow so far in Future Track HD. We even pushed this through later on Wednesday night. So this is what we're looking at as far as a significant snowfall develop, more of a widespread one. We haven't seen much of a widespread snow, and accumulating snow likely on Wednesday in advanced tracking, but really the amount depends on the track. If that storm system moves just off to the southeast by 15 to 30 miles, it could put us in some lighter snow, and if it moves off to the northwest, it could put us in more of a rain-snow mix, even more of a rain. So still a couple of days out, we'll continue to monitor it, but right now we'll get up to 43. The next couple of days are calm and clear for the most part. We get up to 38 on Wednesday. That's when we see that rain-snow mix. It is going to be very windy for sure. 29, a few snow showers, and then the lake effect on the backside of that Friday and Saturday, and much colder air arrives on Sunday with a few flurries to linger.